Good morning, all of you TYBSc physics student. We have to see here our subject is solid state physics and we want to continue the lecture on the third chapter, which is free electron and band theory of metals. So summary of the last lecture, we have to start here the quantum free electron theory, which is proposed by the Sommerfeld in 1928. So according to this theory, we have to see here the point so that the energy levels and density of state in one dimension. And in last lecture, starting from the Schrödinger time independent equation, to have apply this formula, and we have to find out the relation of the energy in the nth level according to the apply the boundary condition. And in that condition, that potential barrier or potential box which is considered as in the region, that potential is 0. And according to this relation, we have to find out formula in last equation, which is considered as En is equal to n square pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So this is the energy formula. So we want to draw here the energy state or first three energy levels diagram. So for example, we have to consider here to draw the apply the boundary condition that the length which is considered as at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. So that total length which is considered as L. So this is at boundary condition is length x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L, and that middle point the distance which is considered as L by 2. So that total length which is considered as L. So this figure which is considered as first three energy levels. First three energy levels. Okay, if we consider as the first energy level which is considered as n is equal to 1. So if we put in this formula so that n is equal to 1, so that energy which is given as this, which is E1 is equal to pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So that is given number the energy in terms of 1. So and we have to obtain here how much node which is given for this wave function or qualitative wave function drawing, so that the number of nodes which is given by the idea of, so that number of nodes for respective energy level which is given by the n minus 1. N minus 1. And if we consider that n is equal to 1, so this is considered as the quantum number. So n is equal to, consider here the quantum number. Okay, and if we see that n minus 1, that is considered as place n is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 how much? 0. So that first energy level, the drawing of the wave function, so that wave which is travel for that no node is there having, so that is considered as this wave or this wave function which is going for this trajectory, so that is no node is here. So for example, if we consider for n is equal to 2, so that n is equal to 2, and if we calculate the energy for n is equal to second state, so that consider as E2 is equal to, so that n is equal to, that is 2 square which is 4. So this energy will become here 4 pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So that is considered in this energy which is considered as 4 times of E1, and this is considered as E1. Okay, and if we consider the number of nodes for this wave function drawing. So n value is 2, 2 minus 1, so that is 1. So that is one node which is having here. So that trajectory of this wave function which is considered as this type. So this like symmetric wave function. So the types of wave function which is considered here symmetric or asymmetric wave function which is drawing for smoothly varies or whatever that condition which is see here. So for this n is equal to, and if we condition draw for third energy level which is considered as that quantum number n is equal to 3. If we put here n is equal to 3, that 3 square which is 9, and the third level the energy which is given by 9 pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So that is given by this energy in terms of 9 E1. And if we get, or if we see that number of nodes is having that n minus 1, so that 3 minus 1 which is considered as 2. And if we see that drawing this energy or wave function trajectory is like as this. Okay, so this is the diagram of the first three energy level, and which is help for this the help of the Pauli exclusion principle. For capital N is the n electrons can be accommodated on the line of the this length L, so total length L. So we have to this peak which is considered as this as L by 2, that is high peak. Here L by 2 condition is low peak, and here high peak. This is depends upon the characteristics of the symmetric and asymmetric wave function. And according to the Pauli exclusion principle, so what is Pauli exclusion principle? That is no two electrons can have their all quantum numbers are identical, and that is the orbital can be occupied by at most one electron, and the applied the electrons in atoms or molecules or the solid. If we calculate the energy levels in the quantum number n can have two electrons with opposite spin, that consider as the electron spin which is considered as. So according to Pauli exclusion principle, what is according to Pauli exclusion principle. So what is this Pauli exclusion principle? That is no two electrons can have no two electrons can have all their quantum numbers identical, all their quantum numbers identical. So that Pauli exclusion principle which is considered as no two electrons can have all their quantum numbers are identical. So that means that each energy level with quantum number n can have two electrons with opposite spin. So each energy level with each energy level with quantum number n can have two electrons. Can have can have two electrons with opposite spin, with opposite spins. So that is Pauli exclusion principle, which is no two electrons have their quantum numbers are identical, and that electrons with opposite spin, that is considered as, if we consider the orientation of spin, so one spin which is the up state, so that is considered as up state, and one spin which is considered as down state. So up state and down state, so orientation of spin as like this. And if we consider that NF be the topmost field energy level, NF be the topmost field energy level. So this is which is considered as capital N is equal to twice NF. Capital N is equal to 2 times of NF. So that number of electrons we have to calculate as like this. So orientation of spin which is considered as 2 into NF, and NF which is considered as the topmost field energy level. So if we consider that energy state which is considered as 3, okay, so 3 to the 6, so that is 6 number of electrons is there. So that in terms of pair which is applied, or orientation is like this. So one is up state, one is down state, one is up state, one is down state, one is up state, and one is down state, like this as the field is there. So that type. So if we consider the Fermi energy EFO, that is defined as the topmost field in the ground state and n electron system. So EFO, that is the Fermi energy topmost field energy ground. So that EFO which is considered as topmost field electron energy, and which is considered as the EFO, and that EFO which is considered as the formula which is given as here. So that H cross square divided by twice M, H cross square divided by twice M into that pi square divided by L square. So that is considered as pi divided by L whole square into that Fermi, that NF which is considered as that level which is electron field. So that NF which is multiplied by, so that is considered as NF square. So this is equation number 12. So according to this that Fermi energy, or Fermi energy which is considered as the topmost field electron energy, so which is considered as EFO, that H cross square divided by twice M pi by L whole square NF square. And according to this equation we want to find, so the Fermi energy which is given by, so that H cross square divided by twice M as it is, pi by L whole square is at it is, and NF, so we want to calculate this NF which is given by this N by 2, that is number of electrons divided by 2. And if we calculate this formula, so we want to place this NF value in this equation. So we have to get here the relation of this Fermi energy, so which is given as of the topmost field level. So that is EFO is equal to H cross square divided by twice M into that pi by L as it is, and this NF square, so that NF which is considered as N by 2, so into N by 2 into whole bracket square. So this relation which is that relation which is considered as the equation number 12. Okay, and this equation which is indicate that the energy of the topmost level depends upon the number of electron. So this equation indicate that the energy of the topmost level of the topmost level depends upon number of electrons. Depends upon number of electrons in the metal of size of the potential box. So this is the idea about, so that spin orientation which is according to the Fermi energy according to Pauli exclusion principle, and what is the energy of topmost filled electrons which is considered as EFO, and that final relation which is become here, so that EFO which is nothing but h cross square divided by twice m into pi by L into n by 2 whole bracket square. So now next lecture we want to start here the interesting concept which is considered as the density of state in one dimension, and this is the depends upon the energy of the electron in the nth level, so that En is equal to h cross square pi square n square divided by twice ml square, and depending upon this we have to find out how much number of electrons which is present in that energy level, and how it is calculated the density of electron in one dimension, two dimension. So in this new point we want to calculate the density of state in the one dimension. Thanking of you.